Sulaiman bin Yasar states, Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman and Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu were sitting along with Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu and discussing this issue, that if a woman gives birth to a child a few days after her husband's death, whether her prescribed waiting period has expired or not. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, waiting period is the one that is lengthier of the two, whereas Abu Salama was saying that her prescribed waiting period expired after childbirth. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, I support my nephew, Abu Salama. They then dispatched Qurayb, the slave of Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, to Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, the believer's mother, to fetch the actual rule in this issue. Qurayb came and said that Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha said, the lochial bleeding of Hazrat Sobaya Aslamiya started after her husband's death. She gave birth to a baby. She mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam permitted her to marry. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3707.